Welcome back to the Motor Voult. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most futuristic compact campers we've seen in recent years. Meet the 2027 AeroShell Tricycle Camper Concept, a sleek three-wheel micro RV that blends modern styling, practical living space, and efficient electric mobility into one eye-catching package. While this is a concept vehicle, it offers an exciting vision of what compact camping could look like in the near future. The first thing you'll notice is its incredibly smooth aerodynamic design. Unlike traditional campers with sharp edges and boxy proportions, this tricycle camper features a rounded, capsule-like body that looks both modern and efficient. The matte gray finish, dark panoramic windows, integrated roof storage pod, and minimalist body graphics give it a premium appearance. Whether parked in a city or surrounded by nature, it looks more like a futuristic electric vehicle than a conventional RV. At the front, the single-wheel steering setup immediately stands out. Slim LED lighting and a clean nose design create a sophisticated look while also improving visibility. The compact dimensions make this camper ideal for urban streets, narrow roads, and small campsites where larger RVs often struggle. Step inside and the clever packaging becomes obvious. Although the exterior footprint is surprisingly compact, the interior feels bright and functional thanks to the tall roofline and wide entry door. Large side windows allow plenty of natural light to enter, creating an open atmosphere instead of the cramped feeling many micro campers have. The cabin features a modern wooden gray color combination that gives it a warm yet contemporary personality. Premium cabinetry, soft LED ambient lighting, and durable materials make the space feel much more upscale than you would expect from a three-wheel camper. The kitchenette is neatly arranged along one side of the cabin. It includes a compact sink, induction cooktop, storage cabinets, overhead shelves, and space for a mini refrigerator. Everything is positioned within easy reach, making meal preparation simple whether you're making breakfast, coffee, or a quick dinner after a day of exploring. Behind the kitchen sits a comfortable sleeping area designed for 2 adults. During the day, the space can function as a lounge, while at night it transforms into a cozy bed with supportive cushions and practical storage. Underneath, hidden compartments throughout the cabin help organize clothing, camping equipment, and travel essentials without wasting valuable space. Technology is another highlight of this concept. A digital control panel allows campers to monitor battery levels, lighting, water systems, and climate controls from one location. USB-C charging ports, wireless phone charging, energy-efficient LED lighting, and optional Wi-Fi connectivity help bring modern convenience into a compact living space. Mounted on the roof are solar panels that continuously recharge the auxiliary battery while parked outdoors. Combined with an efficient battery system, these panels help power lights, appliances, and small electronic devices without relying entirely on campground hookups. For weekend adventures or short off-grid trips, that's a major advantage. Performance is expected to come from a fully electric drivetrain. Instead of focusing on high speed, this camper is designed for smooth, quiet, and economical travel. Instant electric torque makes city driving effortless, while regenerative braking improves energy efficiency during longer journeys. Driving such a compact vehicle would likely be one of its biggest strengths. Its lightweight construction, small turning radius, and narrow width make parking incredibly easy compared to traditional motorhomes. Even first-time RV owners would probably feel comfortable behind the wheel after only a short drive.